Yeah,
see the little cups
you can
on its
see
teeth?
in
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, it's getting milk.
And then they go to this machine where they get cleaned up.
No, they just walk through there. Oh,
This
actually,
one.
I think you're right.
It gets cleaned up here, and then we get this nice bedding for
No,
the
that's for the
cow.
animals that are sick.
Okay, this is a sick cow.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we are back.